Are we on? Yeah, right. Well, we had a slight issue, we found out, but luckily, thanks to our production team, we knew that we had a problem, because I noticed that Jason's microphone input from the helmet was coming out all the time. We realised it was actually the incorrect microphone supplied by our New Zealand branch. So luckily, the production team have bought a spare microphone and lead, so we've rectified that problem now, and the
get on with it.
The stem is now inserted into the orifice, and it works perfectly now.
And it's hot.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. It's so hot, trying to get gloves on is near impossible.
Bit of four-wheel driving here.
Good to go.
Right, let's go. Next stop, Kyogle. Kyogle.
Okay.
Something.
Bumpies. Okay, so here we are in the middle of New South Wales, back roads,
Hot.
beautiful day. And gum trees for Africa, look at them all.
How's that sweating issue?
Beg your pardon?
The,
What have you got?
Sweating issue. Yeah.
A squeaky issue with sound, or is it on your body, or oh shit, I was one-handed then too.
We always seem to get behind slow cars. Well, it's supposed to be 35 degrees today.
More bumps, just everywhere there's bumps.
Reduce speed. Give it a handful.
School bus, roadworks, Big Bird. So Jason, I've got a question for you. You know the township casino, do they have one there?
Is there anybody there? Oh, Jesus Christ.
No,
Yeah, what about
a casino.
Is there a casino there? No.
Yeah. Ah, right. That makes perfect good sense.
Yes, you have a question. You keep putting your hand up. Oh, is this a stand-up town? No. Oh, 2:30 to 4:30. I'll just pass Grandad. Look at this dude. Thank you, sir. Ride free, brothers. I need to sneeze.
Yeah. So maybe we should.
Oh,
Are you alright?
all over my helmet.
Bless you.
Could this woman go any slower?
It's a good advert for a CX3, isn't it? That sign?
I'm going to pass here.
It says rough surface.
No, I'm not. Always safety first on a motorcycle. I have to.
Smooth tarmac, that's what's here.
Did you see that street's name? It was called Fawcett Street. I wonder if they have many plumbing issues down there.
Well, that's strange because we were right at opposite Fawcett Street in Gumball City.
Well, I see Kyogle Council has spent a lot of money on this road.
Yeah, it's a lovely road.
Beautiful. Look, there's Fawcett Street again.
That's it. Farrah's favourite street.
Casino is left, so we need to go to this gas station here on the right. Oh, fuck it, it's in there.
There'll be another one, wouldn't there?
No, we'll cut through this little park here.
Something burning here. How are we going to park our car even? Oh yeah, there's a flat.
And then we're going to drive into that shopping centre.
Okay.
Try not to hit the policeman.
Yep.
He's talking to the local drug dealer over there.
Yep.
Yes, sir. I haven't bought any cocaine lately.
Is there a car park in there
Yep.
for motorcycles?
Well, I'm worried about... Oh, a motorcycle. There's a wheelchair park. That's us, isn't it? Oh my god. It's a circus, and here it is a circus.
Well, shall we turn around?
No, I found a park.
That's unloading in taxi bay.
Is it?
Here, there's heaps.
Where have you gone?
Just keep coming around and you'll see me. Then you can park in beside me. Oh, you're going to take up 2 parks?
Yeah.
You scum.